you right, Jonah?
I'm no good at chatting up and I always get ripped off. Enough to drive me to the brink, I don't do no washing up. I always leave the stuff piled up in the sink.
But you will always find it in the kitchen at parties.
We're back! Yeah, it's kitchen style, and this time we're going to be executing the Puke Omelette. Puke Omelette. With the twist, and the twist you'll find out when it happens. So, I'm going to eat this shit raw, then I'm going to throw it up, and then I'm going to cook it, and then we'll go from there. Okay. By the way, it's Christmas. I've already drunk oil before in my scrambled egg challenge. If you haven't seen it, go down and look down below, scroll down and have a look. That glass wasn't that big. I'm backing the fuck up.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. Happy New Year.
It's so nice to drink milk. Oh. Please leave a comment if you think you could do it better. 1, 2, 3, first egg.
It's Christmas, come on.
Egg number 2. Now with some milk. That is so bad.
Do you like Christmas pudding?
Not really.
No.
Do you?
Yeah. It's like spotted dick.
I bet you love it.
That's really nice.
I bet you. That is so sick. It tastes like oil.
Oh, no, that is the one. That is the one.
That stinks. That stinks.
I think that deserves a subscribe, don't you?
I'm gonna cook this now. Is it on? Yeah, this is on. Nice loads of butter. This is so gonna smell. I don't want it burning. Right, here we go. Oh, look, I had it too cold. Let's get all these scrapey bits out. Ah. Here we go, it's gonna fry now. Whoa, stinks! No way! That is so bad!
haven't had much to eat today. Quite hungry, and for what I'm about to do, please subscribe and like, because this is fucking disgusting. And I'm wearing this stupid hat, so come on guys, show your love.
Right. Yo, yo, yo! Yo! Oh. Check this shit out, man. I don't know if you can see that, but fucking check that shit out.
Merry Christmas. Fucking hell! Fuck me. Right.
Yo, yo. I'm back from cooking. And fuck I've done my bit. I have done my bit.
Right, what I'm going to do is I'm going to try some right now, and then I might add a bit of ketchup, a bit of salt, enhance the flavour.
That looks frank, man.
It's like cheese, smells like cheese and onion crisps or something, and it's got all the, or like, you know when you overcook porridge in the microwave? Right, cheers. May need a bit of ketchup with that. Have you got a cloth?
Oh, shit.
Fuck me, that's disgusting.
Is it?
Right, here we go.
Oh god. Oh god.
It tastes absolutely disgusting. Merry Christmas!
Oh shit, it's so funny. Man, you're great.
Fucking hell. Oh. Jesus fucking Christ, that's disgusting.
I can't stop laughing, man. Sorry, Steve. I'm supposed to like fucking
Right.
cheer you on.
Not even
Bye,
halfway
Steve.
there yet, so I'm going to wash it down.
Steve.
Well, the ketchup don't help much because you can still taste the fucking Diana's shit in it. And it lingers as well. Right, here we go. Scoop number 3. Oh fuck.
God,
We'll try and get this bit down. Fuck. It tastes a bit like bacon. Like,
does it really?
Yeah.
I'm a vegetarian. I am honest.
oh. What's the stuff called that you puke back up?
Bile.
You can see bile on the plate. That you see it dripping off. That's going up as well. Go down, should I say?
Do you want to soak up with?
Yeah, go on, why not? Let's have a bit of. If I eat this first and then we do the rest.
Steve, honestly, man, I'm proud of you. I'm proud of you. This needs to be a subscribe, motherfuckers, please. So Steve will do Beave. Steve, aka Beave, will do more stuff like this.
I'd say I've got 1-2 scoops left.
Brilliant.
It's going to come up in a minute. It's going to come up. So please guys, subscribe, like, comment, put what you like, but yeah, don't do this. Oh my god, it stinks.
It actually still stinks.
It actually stinks. Right, ready for the last scoop?
Yeah. If the passage, yeah.
fuck?
That's disgusting. Fucking hell.
Oh shit, man. That's so funny. Hey, Channel Diana, Beave. You're watching Diana's Kitchen, and Merry Christmas, guys. Please tune out for the next Diana's Kitchen. Please subscribe so this motherfucker stays with me.
And now I've done my time in the kitchen at parties.
Oh my god, it nearly made me throw up.